Hi, my dear friends. I'm very happy to welcome you all for our online job network. This is our official website. With the help of this website, you can get all the information regarding this online job and see if you are searching for a genuine online job means this is the great opportunity and this is the perfect video for you because we are having more than 500 customers in this online job and they are getting a successful payment in a daily, weekly and monthly basis. You can choose any payment method as per your convenient. Okay, because we are providing three payment methods: daily, weekly and monthly. You can choose it, and please watch this video sincerely and carefully for next 12 minutes because finally while this video gets ends you can get clear idea about the online job and you can start your work immediately without any doubt. My name is Rizwan. My native is Salem, Tamil Nadu. This is our registered mobile number. We will contact you always through this particular mobile number. So if you get any other call from any other mobile number means please don't believe them. If you want to chat with us, then you can use this ID. Requirements: computer and internet connection is necessary to do this online job and normal internet speed is enough. You can choose this job as part-time and full-time according to your time permits. See, already I told you that if you spend at least 2 to 3 hours daily means you can earn 1,000 to 1,500 every day without any doubt. It is a guaranteed income. Everyone can work here because there is no age limit and no previous experience needed and there is no time limit and no target. See, we have classified this work as three level, that is beginner, developer and achiever. According to your knowledge you can choose the work level. For the beginner level, you should need computer and internet connection. That is necessary for all the three level, but everyone can work in the beginner level. Okay, so they no need any type of computer and browsing knowledge. Okay, so anyone can work in the beginner level. And next is the developer level. They should need at least, I mean, little bit of computer and browsing knowledge. And next is the achiever level. For this achiever level they should need a computer and browsing knowledge, but for this particularly three level we will give a proper guidance. So with the help of our guidance you can choose any work and you can start and you can get a successful payment in both the three levels. Next is a level 1 beginner. See, in this beginner level we will give you a 600 fixed advertisements per day. You have to just click the advertisement, that's it. Okay, so this is a simple work, that's why we are saying it as a beginner level. So in this beginner level you have to just click the 600 advertisements. For each and every advertisement we will pay you 50 paise. So daily income will be 300 rupees and the monthly income will be 9,000 rupees. And in this same beginner level we are having the next category, that is paid email job. So here the fixed email will be 200 and daily you can earn daily you can earn 200 rupees. For each and every email we are paying, I mean, 1 rupees. So totally daily income will be 200 rupees and the monthly income will be 6,000 rupees. So the if you add this 6,000 with that pay per click job means totally it will take 15,000. 9,000 plus 6,000, it is 15,000 you can earn per month in from this beginner level. So this is the great opportunity who are all in the beginner level. And next is the developer level. We always recommend this level because even ourselves we are doing this work. Okay, even my relatives, my friends, my students, everyone, most of them are using this developer level and they are getting successful payment from this developer level. In this developer level, YouTube, survey, virtual assistant, inbound call center, building applications, selling photos, paid writing, e-tuitions, buying and selling domains, transcriptions works are there. See, different types of categories are there. You can choose any work and you can start the work. Okay, and this YouTube means, see, in this YouTube work they will give you some task. You have to give a positive comment on this YouTube. Okay, so for the YouTube video, So once they will receive the positive comment for this YouTube video, they will pay you. Okay, and next is a survey. This survey will take at least 30 to 40 minutes, but for each and every 30 to 40 minutes survey, they will pay you more than 350 rupees. And next is a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is nothing but personal assistant. You have to act as a personal assistant from home. Okay, you no need to meet, I mean, you have to act as a personal assistant for VIP, and you no need to meet them. You can act you can act as a personal assistant from home. And next is a inbound call center. So this is same as call center work, but you have to work from home with the help of internet connection. And next is a building application. See, if you are well equipped with the software knowledge means, then you can choose this work, and you have to build an application like Android, Windows application, and for each and every application you can get some sufficient income. And next, selling photos. For this you need some highly costly camera. And if your photography, see, if you are having a well photography knowledge, then you can earn from it. And next is a paid writing. If you are having a writing knowledge means, then you can earn from this paid writing. And next is a e-tuition. So this is the highest paid work, because if you take class for at least 1 hour means, they will pay you more than 3000 for 1 hour class. And next is a buying and selling domain. Here we have to just buy the domain, and we have to sell the domain, that's it. And next is a transcription. This is also same as paid writing work. This is but this is regarding, this depends on the medical work. Okay, medical department, this is totally transcription work is. And next is, see, and don't think about this, how can we manage in this all the works. I mean, we are having YouTube survey, virtual assistant, so we are having so many works, whether it is possible to do or not. Don't think about this. See, this is just a demo video. Okay, once you join with us as a member, we will send you a clear detailed video with all the login details for each and every work. Okay, so in that video you can get the details how to log in it, and how to start the work, and how to get the payment. Okay, so all the details in a step by step procedure will be available in that particular video. Okay, so don't worry about it. So we will give a proper guidance. With the help of our proper guidance, you can choose any work, because in that video, so the total size of that particular video is 700 MB. So in the 700 MB video, we have explained all the three level 1, level 2, and level 3. So you can choose any work, and you can start according to your interest. Okay, and the next thing, see here, see, already I told you, sign up work. So for sign up work, they are paying $0.10. $0.10 means it is nearly around 6 rupees, I think, in Indian rupee. Okay, and next, see here, 479 works are there. So total work done is 385. So total balance works are there. Then you can select the job and do. So next, see, $20 for, see, they are paying $0.20. So like that they are paying you. So you can choose any work. So this is just a simple sign up work. Okay, same as like Google sign up, I mean Gmail sign up. So okay, so this takes up to just 2 to 3 minutes. For every 2 to 3 minutes they are paying 10 rupees, 15 rupees, like that. Okay, so within 2 to 3 hours you can earn 500 rupees, 600 rupees easily, with the help of this developer level. See, YouTube comment work, I already told you, in the developer level YouTube work, that is same as this. And YouTube, so you have to give a positive comment. For positive comment, they are paying you $0.12. And these are all the work levels. So same as like YouTube work, here you have to give a positive review for iTunes, and they are paying $0.15. So here, this is the e-tuition work. See here, how many classes are there. See, you are having different categories of classes, and you can take a class for any standard, and you can get paid very high in this particular e-tuition work. Okay, of achiever work. See, this achiever work is very much difficult to explain in this particular video, because this is I mean, we have to spend more time for it. But you can earn very huge income in this achiever level. Okay, we have to create a website and we have to promote this website, and once we promote that website we will get some commission. Okay, so we will guide you throughout this about this achiever level in that particular video. Okay, otherwise if you want to get more information about it means just please call me, I will explain.
Let's see how to join in this website. Once the joining process is complete, how you can able to receive the password to your email ID. With the help of that email ID, I mean with the help of that password, how you are going to start this work. Let's see all the procedures here. Just click this how to join register. Once this page gets open, see here, there is no registration fees. Here we are charging only 300. That 300 is only for work training videos. This work training videos will helps you to start the work, and it helps you to create the user ID and password by yourself, and you can able to know how you are going to give your account details to receive the salary, and after that all work details in video format with step-by-step procedure. So for that purpose only we are charging this 300. After that, you have to fill up this application form. Once this application form process is done, your account will be activated within 15 minutes. So it's very easy and simple. Before filling this application form, let's see the difference between plan 1 and plan 2 and plan 3. So what is this plan 1, plan 2 and plan 3? See here already we told we are charging 300, and what is this extra 300, 600 and 2000? So all customers are having this doubt, so that's why I have created this joining procedure video. Once you paid the 300, you will be considered as a plan 1 customer. So you no need to pay that work training video charge 300 plus plan charge 300, not like that. You have to pay only plan charges. If you pay 300, you will be considered as a plan 1 customer. Here, let's see what is the difference between plan 1, plan 2 and plan 3. Whatever the plan you choose, you can able to do beginner work, developer work and achiever work in all the 3 plans. So there is no difference between works in the plans. Whatever the plan you choose, works are same. So no difference in work. Then what is the difference? The only difference is support. If you choose plan 1, there is no support. That's why this charge is very less. It's 300. If you choose plan 2, then you will get a mail support from us. So the charge is 600. If you choose plan 3, you will get a mail support, call support, online support, everything. That's why the charge is 2000. So here we are charging only for the support, not for work. So don't get confused. We are charging plan 1, I mean beginner for 300, developer 600, achiever 2000, not like that. Even if you choose plan 1, you can do beginner, developer and achiever work in plan 1 itself. But the only difference is support. So whatever the plan you choose, we will support the customer according to the plan only. If you don't want any support from us, then simply go with plan 1. But we always recommend plan 2 and plan 3, because whatever the work you start in initial stage, you should need a support. You should need a help to start that work. Otherwise, while doing the work, sometimes you may have some difficulties to do the work. So at that time, you need our help. If you join in plan 1, then sure, we will not help you. This is only work training video charge. If you join in plan 2, whatever the doubt you have, you can clarify that doubt through mail. In plan 3, you can clarify your doubt through mail, call or online, whatever it may be. So it will be more helpful in plan 3 customer. So once you decided this plan, now here you can able to see this bank details. You can pay in SBI or Indian Bank. Otherwise, if you are comfortable with Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay or UPI, whatever it may be, everything is available here. And one more important thing, you can simply scan this QR code and you can make the payment. That is very easy method. After that, once this process is complete, now fill up this application form. It takes just 2 minutes. Full name, date of birth, gender, education, address, email ID. After that, give your valid phone number, and here you have to choose the plan. This is most important. So whatever the amount you paid, according to that you just select the plan. After that, salary receiving method. See here 3 methods are there. in which method you need your salary. If you need your salary directly to your bank account, then select bank. Otherwise you need through Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm, whatever, maybe that is second option. And third option is directly check option. So here in this application form, we are not collecting your bank details and Paytm everything, because due to security reason we are not collecting here. We will collect this detail at the time of your payment. Whenever you get your payment, at that time you just provide your details, so that is enough. And here the most important thing, just attach the payment proof in JPEG or otherwise PNG, whatever the format will be, but please attach the payment proof here. That is most important. Once this process is complete, just give accept the terms and conditions. After that, give submit. Once this application form process is done, once this process gets submitted, your account will be activated within 15 minutes and you will receive the password. With the help of that password, go to this member login page. Here you can able to see all work training videos in Tamil and English language. So if you are comfortable with English, then just watch all English language videos. For example, just I'm clicking this English video, click here, see here, it requires password. This password will be, you just enter this password which you received to your email ID. So use that password to view this video. It's simple thing. This video is only for the members, not for all. Okay, this video is only for the members. So once you join, you will receive the password. So if you have any doubt in joining, you can call and clarify your doubt. Thank you.